Here at Wilderness Voyageurs, we've been working really hard lately to update our facilities and our procedures to make sure it's safe to open up for rafting this weekend. And we just wanted to let you know some of the things that we've been working on. First of all, we'll be having all guests and all staff wear some sort of face covering when they come into close contact with each other. Also, we'll be taking everyone's temperature, staff and guests, every day at Checkin. We'll be providing hand sanitizer and hand washing stations throughout our property, and we're also installing touchless faucets in our bathhouse and touchless door openers around our store property. We'll be running smaller rafting trips with fewer people per boat to keep promoting social distancing and keep people spread out. We'll be cleaning high traffic areas as much as we humanly can to keep everything clean, especially things that people touch a lot. As usual, rental gear is always sanitized after use. That includes helmets, paddles, life jackets. We're limiting the number of people at check-in and waiting in line at all times because honestly, you are here to go outside and to enjoy nature, and waiting in line is not really what you come to Ohiopyle to do. So we're really looking forward to seeing everybody this weekend, and I hope we have wonderful weather and everybody gets that much needed fresh air. Thanks.